So if you don't know the definition of steering wheel holder, this right here is a steering wheel holder. This is a person that is not a truck driver. We're talking about suspended CDL. You know, this Alabama steering wheel holder is out in Illinois on the I-74, swerving just like I said. And he gets stopped with the open can and he spits in the officers' faces. You know, respect gets respect. I mean, sometimes I think that officers, DOT, they push their power a lot. And when they do, I'll bust them out for that. But in this situation, you are in the wrong. And with that, his bail is $2,035. I do not know how the system works. But how the hell are you drinking and driving without a CDL that's suspended? You're spitting in people's faces and your bail is $2,035? Can someone explain that to me? But do you agree with me or not? That if you have a habit of any sorts, you better kick that before you start trucking. Because we don't want you on the road. We want to stay safe out here. And we want to get home to our families too. Mother Truckers, comment down below.